In this video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your toilet. This method will remove all that nasty pee and gunk that you're seeing on the screen, as well as disinfect, killing all germs and viruses. You will also learn in this video how to remove any hard water stains you find in the bowl. As you can see, this toilet has been neglected, not cleaned for a while, so sit back and enjoy the transformation. The first thing you do whenever you deep clean a toilet, remove the toilet seat. The first thing to do is to spray down that toilet seat liberally with your favorite all-purpose cleaner and let it soak in the tub. Then come back over and spray the entire toilet down with the same all-purpose cleaner. Let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute to loosen up any stuck-on gunk. Then start wiping it down, starting at the top of the tank and working your way to the base on the bottom. Whenever you clean a toilet that is this dirty, it's always a two-step process. You have to clean it first, removing all the pee and soil, then you disinfect second. If you spray it with a disinfectant first and you try to do it all at once in one step, all that nasty gunk will interfere with the disinfecting process and it will be compromised. So if you spray it with one of these cleaners that has a disinfectant built into it, right? It's a cleaner / disinfectant, and you try to do it in one step, it's going to be compromised. It'll come clean, it's going to look good, but potentially you're going to leave germs and viruses behind. To do this professionally and to do it right, it's a two-step process. If the toilet was lightly soiled, you could do everything in one step, but this toilet is far too dirty for cleaning and disinfecting at the same time. Also, at any time during this process, feel free to use gloves for this job if it makes you feel better. I've been cleaning houses for 17 years. I've never worn gloves. I'll put ketchup and mustard on the toilet seat and have breakfast on this stuff. It doesn't bother me at all. My antibodies are through the roof. After the entire outside is clean, pour your toilet bowl cleaner on the inside. You can also do this step first if you prefer, and you can allow that cleaner to run down the inside of the bowl while you're cleaning the outside of the toilet, whichever you prefer. Grab your toilet brush and scrub that bowl thoroughly. This will remove that pink water ring as well as any mildew and also any doo-doo remnants. Also, don't forget under the lip. To clean a toilet like a pro, you have to get all that gunk underneath as well. I'm using a sponge, but feel free to use your toilet brush. Last part is to clean that toilet seat. So go over to the tub, grab a sponge, scrub that seat thoroughly. The reason we do it in the tub is because it's just an easy place to clean stuff and rinse afterwards. You clean your body and rinse, clean the toilet seat and rinse. After you finish, just reattach the seat. If you have any hard water stains in the bowl that didn't come clean, now is the time to tackle those. Simply grab a pumice stone and rub the stone over any stain that you find. Just make sure that when you use the stone, you wet it first. Lastly, to finish this off, you need to disinfect everything. So grab your favorite disinfectant. I'm using these wipes made by Clorox and wipe down the entire toilet. Whatever disinfectant you choose to use, just make sure you read the label to see how long it needs to stay visibly wet. If it dries before the time on your label, the process will be compromised and you'll have to do it all over again. For these wipes, the surface has to stay visibly wet for 4 minutes. So just leave it on there and allow it to dry on the toilet and the process will be concluded. And that is how to deep clean your toilet like a pro. If you've ever wanted to know how to remove pee stains from your mattress, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.